Credit risk modeling is at the intersection of two very hot topics, data science and fintech. This is the perfect training if you're into data science and are trying to differentiate yourself with a very rare yet extremely valuable skill set. Even better, we will combine Python programming with credit risk modeling, and we'll show you how a model is created in a real-life working environment, step by step and exactly as it is performed in the industry. Sounds complex? Don't worry. The course author, Nikolai Georgiev, is a PhD from BI Norwegian Business School and has been a research associate in the University of Texas and HEC Paris. In addition, Nikolai has gained significant practical experience while working with a number of banks across Europe. He will provide you with all the best practices both from academia and industry. But what's best is that you won't be learning only data science. Credit risk modeling is of paramount importance to banks as it allows them to estimate the expected loss from retail and corporate loans in their overall portfolio. This is an issue financial regulators have been paying close attention to since the financial crisis. Hence, the market demand for data scientists with such specialized skills is ever increasing. By taking this course, you will be on the best path to breaking into data science, acquiring specialized industry knowledge. Wondering if you will be learning all you need to? None of the necessary steps will be skipped. Together, we will go through initial data pre-processing, which is an invaluable Python exercise. You will learn essential techniques such as weight of evidence, information value, fine classing, and coarse classing. Once our data is ready, we will apply logistics and linear regression to estimate the three components of the fundamental credit risk equation: probability of default, loss given default, and exposure at default. Not only that, but we'll also apply state-of-the-art tools that would allow us to evaluate the predictive power of our model. Some of the models we will introduce are area under the curve and Gini coefficient. Finally, we'll learn how to monitor the model's performance through the Population Stability Index and how to maintain it should that be needed. No worries if any of these techniques sound unfamiliar. Everything is explained in the course. This is the perfect way to boost your data science career, get the chance to work with real data, and learn from a true industry expert. As with any of our courses, you have a 30-day money-back guarantee. The course comes with plenty of exercises, homework, downloadable files, quiz questions, and course notes. Everything you need for a perfect learning experience. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe today and let's start this journey together.